Welcome to this technical guide on the HP ProBook for 50G7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP ProBook for 50G7 turns on but the screen stays black, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty screen or a loose connection, which prevents the display from receiving the signal it needs to function. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, increasing repair costs and potentially causing data loss. To get started with the screen replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a fine-tip tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the HP ProBook for 50G7. To safely open your laptop, begin by turning it off and unplugging it from any power source. Place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry off the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips that hold it in place. Once the back cover is off, locate the faulty screen. It is typically connected by a series of cables that you will need to gently disconnect. Be cautious when handling these connections, they can be fragile. Use the tweezers if needed to avoid putting too much pressure on the components. Now, remove the screws holding the screen in place. Make sure to note the size and type of screws as they may vary. Once unscrewed, carefully lift the screen away from the device. Place the new screen in position and secure it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place but not overly tightened. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new screen, carefully replace the back cover, pressing it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, screw the back panel back on, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly. Before testing, double-check that no tools or loose parts are left inside the laptop. Power on your device to see if the new screen works correctly. If the screen lights up, congratulations, you have successfully replaced it. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid placing excessive pressure on the screen and regularly check for any loose connections. Keeping your laptop in a protective case can also help shield it from physical damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.